no profit margin.
The local MLA of Umroi constituency, George B. Lingdo, released the 108 ambulance for Kyrdem Primary Health Centre on Wednesday in Ribhoi district. The 108 ambulance will be stationed at Kyrdem PHC to serve the patients during the time of emergency in terms of healthcare facilities. Speaking on the occasion as chief guest, George B. Lingdo said that the purpose of releasing the ambulance is to serve the people during the time of emergency.
But we see that them nilayo yang human service. Bang soal kemudian berundang tanpa menjual yang orang lain ini berundang human service. Bang yang lama ai chính sách gì phải bàn cho mình cái đầu thành về chúng mình. Tadi kan AKA kalau kita hamil susu ban, tambah kita pakai cimil, pun kita kawan kalau ai chính sách gì nak untuk kita ni, kalau kita dalam sisa kesehatan atau pura nak kalian jauh
Ahead of the upcoming state legislative assembly